Some people come to us because they need a little TLC, tender laughing care.
Ich bin in Berlin. Jawohl. 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 Jawohl.
Hey! You people are animals.
So now what I want all y'all to do is get in the bunny groove, get in the bunny mood. Let's get a little snap going. Come on, everybody, let me feel it. Ah, yeah.
Nice doggy. Nice puppy. Hey, lady, pet store, it's the second floor.
Hello! You can take my milk chocolate center, but you can never take my nougat.
Even my Uncle Marty, who was arrested for sending obscene mail to farm animals, he only had to repent one day.
I told you already, Snuffleupagus!
He doesn't exist, Dylan!
He does exist, he just left. How could you miss a big brown furry elephant leaving my house?
Now, if this had happened to your average domesticated animal, it would only have one thing to do, gnaw off the offending arm.
Rubber chickens.
Praying mantises, is that correct?
Praying mantises.
These Easter bunnies are my sugar bunnies, and I would have them investigated!
Lucky! You call this lucky?
Oh, I ain't gonna have to break our date tonight. My dog came up something stanky bad.
Look! Over there! Is that you? No.
Yeah, it's like finding a leather bra for my llama.
I used to call it lucky, too.
You know, he has an incredible ass.
You should see his llama.